Hello, everyone. My name is Amina. And this is assignment 3 of NURS 432, using theory to implement change. Change is inevitable in healthcare system, but it is often met with resistance due to the challenges of adoption. Effective leadership is essential in guiding staff through transition smoothly. This presentation outlines a step-by-step approach to implementing a new shift rotation using change theory and leadership style. I have worked in acute care setting with where nursing staff have like a long 12-hour shift, alternative shift, like day and night. Sometimes some people do nights and evenings, like alternatively. And some also have like a night shift throughout, while some have like a 5 to 6 days work in a row. All these shift patterns negatively impact nurse well-being. It actually disrupts the sleeping patterns, circadian rhythm, causes burnout and fatigue in nurses. It's also increased physiological and mental status, especially on night shift, leading to high turnout rates, reduced work-life balance, and patient safety impairments. So the implementing a new shift rotation for nurses on my unit is crucial to enhancing staff well-being, increasing productivity, improve job satisfaction, and quality patient care. For this project, it's very crucial to consider inclusion, diversity, and cultural sensitivity. It is very important to include all nurses across all experience level, hospital administrators, and other healthcare professionals to ensure alignment with organizational goals and patient care priorities. We should all know that stakeholders come from different cultural and demographic backgrounds. So therefore, it is very important to address various needs and preferences, ensuring equity, inclusiveness in this new shift rotation. So what are the strategies to facilitate inclusion and engagement? The first thing is collaborative work, conduct a focus group, establishing a task force that represents from different shift and role to oversee transition. It is very important to provide open forum and regular meeting as well for feedback and discussions to ensure transparency in the decision-making process towards the proposed change with staff, and of offering flexibility and pilot testing of different shift model before full implementation. In summary, there's a need to conduct a need assessment, provide the relevant training, launch a pilot program, monitor the progress, and identify areas of improvement. So what are the strategies to create the identified change? The first thing I said at that time, we conduct need assessment, early engagement to all stakeholders, pilot the new shift rotation, offering training and support, implement transparent communication, monitor and adjust the strategy as the project goes, and recognize and celebrate the success. So for this project to be efficient, I'm going to use allowance change management model. And this model consists of 3 phases: unfreezing, changing, and freezing phase. So for freezing phase, this phase involves recognizing the problem, communicating the need of a change, and preparing staff for the transition. And on this phase, the strategy to use is focused basically on stakeholders' engagement and providing forums for staff to express concern and also to offer data to benefit the change. And for this changing phase, this is a phase that we're going to introduce the new shift rotation as well as implementation of it. We're going to start with a pilot program with a small group and monitor the outcome. Providing resources and the training as well as we go, and to also ensure staff support to help to adapt to the next change. And here, the strategy we basically involve piloting and collecting feedback and making adjustments based on staff inputs to demonstrate a commitment to inclusion and adaptability. So for the last phase, which is phrasing phase, this phase actually solidified the new shift rotation by embedding it into organizational bodies, policy, and culture, celebrating success and addressing challenges as goes regularly. I mean, basically, with this, we're going to do a kind of review and update the rotation model based on the staff input and performance. With these three phases, I'll try to clearly specify timeline for each phases to ensure systematic implementation and evaluation. Basically, the strategy is just to collaborate with hospital administration and quality improvement department. For this model, it's kind of well-structured approach for managing organizational changes. And this model also emphasizes on preparation, implementation, and reinforcement, which is actually aligned with the goal of fostering engagement and achieving a sustainable nurse well-being and patient outcomes. So this model is very good, and it also ensures continuous reinforcement. And for me to do this, I'm going to employ transformational leadership styles, which is the most efficient approach to implementing a shift rotation change, as this style focuses on inspiration and motivation, fostering a shared vision, supporting professional growth. And with this leadership style, what actually, the reason why I choose is I promote innovation and the creative solution, which are actually essential for restructuring shift rotation and build trust as well. And the connection between the strategies and with this leadership style is that in this assignment or project, I've identified like staff engagements, I've identified survey, pilot program, peer review, and all these actually align with the leadership styles, transformational leadership styles, by promoting transparency, inclusiveness, empowerment, collaboration, and shared commitment of staff and patients. So transformational leaders also motivate us to view the new shift rotation as a shared effort to improve the work environment and patient safety and patient safety. So in conclusion, implementing a new shift rotation for nurses is essential for improving work-life balance, reducing burnout and fatigue, and enhance patient safety. This change initiative can be successfully implemented by incorporating diverse perspectives, involve employee in decision-making process, and applying Lewis change management model and transformational leadership principles. Thank you. Bye.